Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get builder clothes in Roblox. First, understand that builder clothes are custom outfits designed by players like you. To begin creating and uploading your own unique clothing, you will need an active Roblox Premium subscription. This allows you to access the necessary tools and features within the platform. Once you have Premium, you can start designing your items. The next step is to design your custom apparel. Start by downloading the official Roblox shirt or pant templates from the Developer Hub. These templates provide the correct layout for your designs. Then, use a graphic design program, such as Photoshop or GIMP, to create your artwork. Be creative with patterns, logos, and color schemes to make your clothing stand out. Once your design is perfect, it's time to upload and sell your creations. Navigate to the Create section on the Roblox website and upload your finished shirt or pants file. After uploading, you'll need to set a price in Robux for your item. Remember, players will purchase your clothing, and you will earn a percentage of the Robux from each sale. Here are some final tips for success. Always ensure your designs comply with Roblox community standards to avoid moderation issues. Promote your clothing on social media and within Roblox groups to reach a wider audience. Remember, consistency and quality are key to building a successful clothing line. Also, for a truly effortless clean, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to this amazing product, along with other great deals, in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.